Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive west on I-94. But first of all, I'd like to tell you how excited I am to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far Eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy riding along with me, and if you do, might I recommend subscribing so you can join me as we try to fulfill my channel's purpose, which is to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So this video will start off where the last one ended in Michigan City, Indiana. After rejoining I-94, we will follow it west through northern Indiana and enter the state of Illinois. We will continue west on I-294 after I-94 turns north to Chicago and Milwaukee. We will follow I-294 to where it separates with I-80 near Hazel Crest, which is where this video will end. This upcoming trip will feature a little bit of everything as we travel to some new and familiar places like lonely US 50 in Nevada, a scenic byway with an expensive nickname, and of course my favorite state of Utah. If you're new here, I hope this video earns me your subscription today so you can continue joining me on my adventure. New videos will post here every couple of days, and in between new videos, it would be awesome if you could check out older videos from some of my other trips to maybe compare how places have changed, or even better yet, help you plan your adventure here. Lastly, the video description has a ton of information that may be helpful, so I would encourage you to check it out. And if you allow me to grift, it also has ways to allow you to show support to my channel financially, which will go directly to future video creation. Now that that is all taken care of, I'm so excited to share with you my drive west on I-94 in the great state of Indiana. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button or maybe supporting me with a super thanks. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll continue west on I-80 in the state of Illinois, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.